With Eventbrite's reporting and analytics tools, we can help you identify where your most lucrative sources of revenue stem from, as well as your biggest opportunities. Through the Eventbrite.com backend, you can access a multitude of preset event reports, as well as the analytics dashboard seen here. Both event reports and the analytics tool can be found under the Analyze section on the left-hand menu. A couple of canned event reports of note include the sales summary, which can be used for easy reconciliation, the sales by ticket type report, which can help track sales for specific admission or non-admission tickets, and the promotion code usage report to track those campaigns we discussed earlier. The analytics dashboard, on the other hand, visualizes your data on sales, attendees, traffic, and/or sales channel. It also offers filters to pull in data cross-event. On top of that, if you want to group event data or filter down to a specific ticket type, you can do it in that analytics dashboard. Spend some time in the analytics tool digging into which sales channels are driving the most revenue for your event. You'll find insights into the performance of your own channels, such as widgets that you place on your website, any orders placed through Eventbrite Organizer app, traffic from your website, and any conversions via email invite tools. In addition to this, you can see how Eventbrite is moving the needle on your ticket sales. Categorized as Eventbrite channels in the tool, this includes things like search and browse in Eventbrite.com's global marketplace of events, our related event suggestions and abandoned cart emails, and ticket sales that converted via integrations with our partners like Facebook and Instagram. Throughout your on-sale, it's key to assess performance so that you can optimize your strategy. Keep an eye on Eventbrite's analytics to assess how effective campaigns are in driving sales spikes. And most importantly, keep testing what works best with your audience. For those of you that are on the go, like many event creators, our Organizer app is another useful tool for keeping tabs on your sales and event data in real time. With our latest iOS release, 8.10.0, the Organizer dashboards can now be filtered by specific ticket types, either admission or add-ons. This is super useful for events that have multiple check-in points so that staff can filter and see only the relevant ticket types coming to that entrance. You'll notice in the new layout that add-on sales and check-ins are also clearly broken out from admissions, so all of your counts are accurate.